Welcome back to another video. So we just had a week of rain, and of course usually disaster strikes when the weather is not great. So the sump pump downstairs pretty much all just went to crap, and backup wasn't working, and the main pump wasn't working. So that kind of freaked me out, and that happened just last Monday, so like 6 days ago. So I was like, let's hunt for something that will give me a little bit more peace of mind, another level of security. So enter Proteus water level sensor. So it's the L5, and this had pretty good reviews, but not a whole lot of documentation or video review. So here it is, Wi-Fi. So basically the moral is this thing will email you if the float sensor is tripped from the little sensor inside. So let's open up this box. Here is the gadget. That's the speaker right in the middle, and I think the LED is down the bottom left. USB looks very similar to the Apple charger, and I'm just doing this all one-handed. So USB, and this is the ever so resembling Apple charger. Inside, what do we got? We have, okay, manual looks like. It's got the instructions. Right. Okay, good. This has the long cable for the sensor, it looks like. Let me just double check. Yeah, so this is the power sensor by what I'm getting at. Oh, wait a second. So there is a little plug-in at the bottom. Okay, so I made some more discoveries. Micro USB on the side is only used when you can't plug this in. The next is this pretty much like a stereo plug-in. So you plug that in under here, and then the sensor, the float sensor, goes into here. And then this is the float sensor. As soon as this is closed, it goes wild. So very simple design. Hopefully that helps address some of the concerns and questions about this thing. Alright, so here's my makeshift little test center, all plugged in. Here is the float. Here is some water. Check it out. Bloop. And at that point you'll get an email and indicator that it all worked. Alright, so here's the setup. If you guys live in any climate where there's a lot of water drainage issues, you'll have one of these things called a sump pump. Basically, I ended up putting mine way back there. It's the one that's with that yellow cord coming up. And I routed it to a power source, so nothing more than that. So I just wanted to show you what it looks like. I have, it's my light, I have the backup, and then I have a regular pump. I just upgraded that one down there. It's like a 3/4 horse. And that battery backup pump is that yellow one back there, powered by this sucker right here. So it's showing you the actual setup inside the little tub system. So that's it. So once you log in to Proteus, you get the name of the sensor. Do you want it to go and alert you when it's full or empty? Enable buzzer 10, which is just number of minutes, time zone, email address or phone numbers, resend after that, and then you hit save. And essentially that's the UI. It's pretty intuitive, pretty simple. So there is a more section, and then log out right here. So that's it.